Uh, Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I just want to talk about the incident that happened about maybe, I would say 4 to 5 months ago. So as you can see, we park my wife's car is parked in the front, and my uncle's car parked also in the front, somewhere right here, right? So, in about, I think about 4 or 5 months ago, it's about 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning. Um, Somehow there's like a thief that, you know, like they went under the car and they took his Cadillac converter. Sadly enough, I have a security camera all the way back there by my garage port, but it wasn't able to capture anything. We reported the police, and they said they look into it, but however, they couldn't find the thieves, so they just so my uncle had to deal with the insurance. So that brought us to this little thing right here. So as you can see, it's a wireless camera, right? Solar security camera. So the company, this company's name is Viziuuy. I reviewed these cameras and do the installations not too long ago. However, I decided to, just put this camera to use. This is a 4G cellular camera. It's not like the Wi-Fi one, the wireless. Um, I did review the wireless one, but I did try to use Wise camera, but the Wi-Fi connection from here to my house is it's not long enough, or it's not strong enough for the signal to pick up to have to. So, but with this one, with the 4G, and it's great. So this cameras, I'm gonna walk around and I'm gonna show you. So this is how I installed it. I've had this mailbox ever since I got here. So what I did is just I got another 2x4, and I think it's about 36 inches, and I had like I drilled from the inside, and I put up like a nut that goes through the wood like this, and then like that, two of them, right? And then so it's very secure. It's sitting there tight, and then I painted white color just to match up with the mailbox, and I put these solar panels right here. So here towards right now it's facing south, so towards the end of the day, it'll capture a lot of sunlight, and it's more than enough for the camera to throughout the day. Even it's always like at 100%, right? So I don't have to worry about that. But and then so now you can see how far from my house and the camera is. So this camera is really unique. It's all I need is just like a SIM card, an activated SIM card, and I put it in. And I use T-Mobile, right? So I have T-Mobile. I just slap it in there, a SIM card in there. I replace it. So you can this camera you can use with the company's SIM card in there that they have. I think you pay like $15.99, and then there's I'm not sure exactly what is the data limit on this one, but since I have like an unlimited SIM with T-Mobile, I just put it in, and it works right away. There's no need to configure, no setup, anything like that, and it's right by my mailbox. So now anytime when the mailman comes, I get a notification that somebody's at the here, but I also see like the picture of it. It snap a picture, and it's sent to my phone, which is great. So right now as we talk, I can in the video. So you think they have it under really clear. This is 2K, right? So depending really nice. Amazon, sometimes we have like $20, $10 off, but it's really neat, and it does come with the. I'm not sure if it comes with the memory card, but there's a slot for you to put in the memory card, the SD of it. So see, I can see here, you can see the battery bar. It's full, and it used only 33 kilobytes or 177 and it is 4Gs and it's quad HD. You can actually set this to however you like, but since uh, I like the best quality I can have, so I always set it to quad HD, and you can monitor this like from your work or wherever you're at. When there's internet, you can connect it, right? And you can take screenshot. You can press hold to talk. You can record. And as a matter of fact, I'm going to show you. You can pan to zoom. So this one right here, I can move it to the left, move it to the right, and move it up, right? Move over here. This is really neat. You see that? Let's see what else. Pan to zoom, and you can go to. Really nice, guys. There we go. It's really nice. So once again, if I flip, oh, this is a live shot. Really nice and clear, and batteries are charged. Beautiful. And then you can talk. You can take video, snip. You see that here? The icons. Ready to show you the image of the quality of this camera. I believe this is a 2K camera. It's really nice. So, and right here, it's about, see, it's facing out that way. It really nice, this thing. And before I leave for work, it takes the image, it takes everything. So another way, any movement towards into my house. And not too long ago, I had like people like, going to, even though I have the sign like this, I don't know whether they know how to read or they just ignore the sign, but they still go into my house and they put like those, like the windows estimate on how much it would cost for me to save money on installation and with getting new windows, which I don't really need, you know what I mean? And I don't want them to be inside my house, right? And then I also have like people that go around like spreading like religious stuff, you know what I mean? I don't want to be disturbed. I just want to be back there to leave alone. But so with this camera, hopefully this is a two-way cameras too, so I can actually talk to the person that are coming in. So, which is really nice. And the installation and the setup, I already did the setup and the installations, I think, already. So if you just go back into my my video listing, and you'll probably see it. Or I might just list it somewhere up on in the video, so you guys can just check it out. But I think this one, I think they have it under $80 or around $80, depending on Amazon. Sometimes they have like $20, $10 off. But it's really neat, and it does come with the. I'm not sure if it comes with the memory card, but there's a slot for you to put in the memory card, the SD card, so you can put it in there, and then it'll save all the memories inside there for you. And this is the rain-proof, weatherproof, So again, so I've had this up for about, I say maybe good like three weeks, and so far I'm really happy with it. I couldn't be more happier. So like I said, if issues with with people passing, going to your house, or if you want to check to know when you get when the mail arrive, these things, it's really convenient, really easy to install, and very easy to set up. As you can put it, at anywhere at your garage, your house, but this is more mainly for somewhere where there's like a long distance, where the Wi-Fi is hard to reach in the area, so just use for the cellular. So this one is great. You don't need to run long wire. It's solar. You can slap it on, like, on your detached garage, or your back house, your ADU, or your shops, anywhere that you think that you might have intruders or might possibly be one, So this, and when people see this, they react a little bit different as well too, because they know that they're on camera and they've been recorded. So yeah, that's pretty much it about this camera, guys. So it's really good in my opinion. It's in a heartbeat. If you ask me if would I recommend this camera, oh yeah, for sure. And I checked like for the last about what it doesn't use a lot of data as well too. So it's great. So far I'm really happy with it. If you have any questions about this camera, feel free to leave in a comment below, then I'll make sure I'll get back to you guys. But other than that, thank you for watching. Be safe and see you next time.